Hello friends. So today we are going to start chapter number 13, data handling. So students, in this section of class 10 we are starting data handling. So in this section we will discuss about to represent the data, mean, median and mode. So first of all I would like to explain what is the meaning of data. So what is data? Data is the information about any objects like for any specific purpose, production of heat state-wise in India. So these are the information about the production of heat and the production of rice district wise in Haryana. So like these informations are called data. So types of data. So first of all, what is data? Data is the information. Data is the collection of information. Data is the collection of information. Collection of information for any specific purpose is called data. So example, the result of matriculation exam state-wise in India. So this is the collection of information about the result of class 10th. The heights of the students of class 7th in centimeter. So this also information. So these are called data. So students, there are two types of data. First is primary data and second is secondary data. So what are primary data? If any investigator is collecting the information himself or herself for any purpose are called primary data. Sometimes because the lack of the time and some other problems, if the observer or the investigator is not able to collect the information and he or she using the collection or information of collection of information by collecting others are called secondary data. So there are two types of data. First is primary data and second is secondary data. Primary data, the observer or the investigators collecting himself or herself, and secondary data are collected by others and used by others. So now after that, the representation of data, if ungrouped data are there, so we have to collect them and we have to arrange them. So there are different methods for arranging the data. First is frequency distribution. So if observations are given, so we have to arrange them according to a system are called representation of the data. Now see exercise 13.1. So first point is range. Range. So what is range? Students, pay attention and listen to me properly. Range means the highest minus lowest. The highest minus lowest. Suppose in class 7th, the highest marks scored by one student in math is 100 and the lowest marks scored by other students are 40. So what is range? Highest minus lowest. So it will be 60. So this is range. Is it clear? Okay. So now listen again. The highest minus lowest. The highest is 100 and lowest is 40. So like this, other question also, other information also, which is the highest and take lowest, from highest subtract the lowest, you will get the range. I hope you have understood what is the meaning of the range. Range means highest minus lowest. Is it clear? Okay. Now in question in exercise 13.1, the range, because the data are there. So now see, write the given data. Given data, first is 3.5, second is 2, 4.5, 4.5, 8.7, 8.7, 1.9, 1.9, 3.2 and 1.9. 1.9. So these are the data. Now 3.5, 2, 4.5, 8.7, 1.9, 3.2, 1.9. So which is highest? Highest is 8.7. Highest is 8.7. If there is any problem in regard to this one, if I am not able to see clearly, so try to understand what I am saying. Highest is here 8.7. First question I am solving. 8.7 and lowest is 1.9. So range will be, range is equal to 8.7 minus 1.9. So 8 and here will be, so 6.8. So 6.8 is right option, option C is right. So this is the solution of the first question. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now next. An ungrouped frequency distribution table is given below. So we have to check this, the total number of telemarks or frequency is. So total number of telemarks or frequency is. Now see, this is ungrouped frequency. Now marks. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. These are the marks. Telemarks. Telemarks. 2 marks. How many students obtained? Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This stands for 4. If I will cross it, it means like this. This stands for 5 and 1, 2. So write here frequency. Frequency 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 2, 7. Next 1, 2, 3. So here will be 3. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after this one 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. Now 7, 1. 1 is here. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it 5. And 1, 2, 3. So it will be 8. It will be 8. So total will be 8 and 4, 12. 12 and 1, 13. 13 and 11, 24. 24 and 3, 27, 27 and 7, 34. So total is 34. So this is the solution. Is it clear? See this one. This stands for 5. If 4 are crossed, then that stands for 5. 1, 2, 7, 3, 11, 1, 4, and this will be 8. So total is 34. So option D is right. Okay, now next also question number 2. Question number 2. Following is the distribution of marks of 50 students. Now we have to find. Now in your book you can see classes. Now number of students. Number of students. Number of students. Now classes 0 to 10 and number of students 5. 10 to 20. So 10 to 20. This is exclusive classes because 10 is not included here. 10 is included here. So this is exclusive. It means the upper limit is not included. So 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. So last is 100. Right here 90 to 100. Now 0 to 10, 5. Here also 5. So this is 8. This is 7. This is 8. 5 2. 5 2. 3 3 4. 3 3 4. Now see what is the lower limit of second class. This is first class and this is second class. So lower limit of first class is 10. This is lower limit. Lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. This is second class. So first solution, lower limit of second class. Lower limit of second class is 10. This is the solution. What is the upper limit of fourth class? First class, second class, third class. This is fourth class. So upper limit, lower is 30, upper is 40. Second, upper limit of fourth class. Upper limit of fourth class is 40. First, second, third and fourth. So this is 40. This is 40. Now what is the class mark of 8th class? What is class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So class mark of class 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is 8. So solution of third, class mark of class 8. Lower is 70 plus upper is 80, divide by 2. So 150 divide by 2. So 75. So class mark of 8th class is 75. Lower plus upper. Lower is 70, upper plus 80. Students listen. how we have to find the class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 70 plus 80 divided by 2, it will be 75. So class mark of 8th class is 75. Now what is the class mark of 5th class? Similarly, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is 5th. Now solution of 4th. Now lower limit is class mark of 5th classes. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Lower is 40 plus 50 divided by 2. So 90 by 2. So it will be 45. It will be 45. So class mark of 5th class is 45. What is the class size? What is class size? Class size means difference. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So this is class size. Class size is 10. 5th class size is 10. Because difference between two classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So difference is 10. So this is class size. Class size is 10. What is the class size of class width of the above distribution? So I think all the steps are clear. Once again I am repeating. Lower limit of second class. This is second class. Lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 20. Second, upper limit of fourth class. This is fourth class. Lower is 30, upper is 40. Now, class mark of class 8, lower plus 8 divided by 2. So it will be 75. Now, fifth, the class mark of fifth, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45. And fifth also class size. It means difference between two. It means upper and lower. So it's called class size. So this is 10. So like this, you have to prepare the, it means frequency distribution table of second. So exercise 13.1 is over, and I hope you can do this frequency distribution chapter question number 3. So you have to arrange like this in question number 2 you have done, or in this second. So if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask them. One example also given by using this, seeing this example, you can solve this one. Exercise 13.1 is over. So this is all for today. In next discussion, we will discuss about the next types. Thank you. Thank you.